Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. Why $15,000? I want to showcase running vehicles that the average person like myself can afford and enjoy. Some may need minor work such as brakes or a carb tune-up to be roadworthy, but these vehicles are pretty much ready to go. There may be blemishes, but you know what? That's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough jabbering. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, so first up here we have a 1976 Chevrolet Camaro LT, listed for $13,500 US in Windsor, Colorado. It has an automatic transmission and had 2 owners. From the seller's description, 1976 Camaro, 350 engine, 350 turbo 3-speed transmission. Runs good, brand new tires and rims, new shocks and springs, new disc brakes, new ball joints, new control arms, and all new front end as far as steering parts. Has some paint flaws, so could use a paint job. And next we have a 1975 Dodge Dart, listed for $14,000 in Montclair, California. It's been driven 83,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1975 Dodge Dart sedan, driven 83,000 miles, V8 318 4-door. Original color was blue, painted, running decent. Pomona, California car, willing to negotiate or possibly trade. Alrighty, here we have a 1962 Pontiac Tempest Lon, listed for $8,500 US in Apopka, Florida. From the seller's description, 62 Tempest Lon, all original, 195 motor and driveline, transaxle, runs and drives, floors and trunk are solid, straight car, original color, not perfect, but perfect project for Pontiac lovers. Must see, clean title in hand. Here we have a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, listed for $15,000 US in Phoenix, Arizona. It's been driven 149,000 miles, has a manual transmission, 2 owners, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, only changes done are the 4-speed with Hurst shifter, manual transmission, and dual exhaust. Comes with everything to put back to original automatic transmission. New top end rebuild, new starter, original paint. Still has the manufacturer marks on the bottom side of the hood with VIN and date built. V8 273 Commando engine with 2-barrel carb. Clean title, book of documents since new with original window sticker. Runs and drives great. Everything works. Drive it home today. Willing to trade for another classic complete or project. Alright, up to number 5, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed for $10,000 US in Mapleton, Utah. It comes with an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, I'll be completely honest about the car so that anyone interested will get all the info about it. It's a 57 Bel Air 4-door with an interior that's in great condition. The previous owner racked up the rear end and put huge wheels on the rear, and I've decided to change that. Brakes don't work right now, so I can't allow an actual test drive, but if you come to see it, I'll be able to start it up for you and show you it runs and drives. It has a 350 SBC under the hood. It was originally a 3-on-the-tree style shifter for the manual transmission, but it was converted to a floor shifter kit by the previous owner. The engine has been rebuilt with less than 10 miles on it, completely new gaskets, springs, and bearings. I'm firm on the $10,000. I was going to start at 11 and work down to 10, but this way I can show everyone my bottom dollar and that I'm not going lower. The car is in great condition. Alright, here we have a 1979 Dodge Aspen RT, listed for $6,700 US in Seattle, Washington. It's been driven 81,261 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1979 Dodge Aspen RT, 318 engine, 8-cylinder, automatic, in good condition. Okay, I thought this one looked pretty cool. 1961 Studebaker Lark, listed for $9,500 US in Laguna Woods, California. It's been driven 60,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, this is my father's daily driver, a unique, fun, and reliable little sleeper. The car was originally a 6-cylinder with column shift 3-speed. It now has a Chevy Performance 350 SB, 290 horsepower, great motor with Ollie Sniper EFI, and a TH350 automatic installed by JBA Racing. Edelbrock intake, aluminum radiator, high output ignition, manual steering and brakes, front and rear disc brakes, 15-inch torque thirst style alloy wheels. We upholstered factory seats, aftermarket AC blows cold, Bluetooth stereo with kicker speakers, factory TT twin traction limited slip differential. All chrome and trim is complete. The car was repainted about 15 years ago and needs some love. This car always gets smiles and thumbs up on the street. If you're new to the classic car hobby, this is an affordable head turner with all the right stuff ready to go. The perfect weekend cruiser with room for family and friends. No trades. And here we have a 1974 Plymouth Duster, listed for $15,000 in Irvine, California. From the seller's description, 1974 Plymouth Duster, $15,000, no trades. Title in hand, 318 LA 5.2 liter V8, Holley EFI, Sniper 5-inch touchscreen with GPS, new fuel pump, high pressure lines and tank, new MSD distributor and digital 6 MSD box, KYB shocks, polyethylene front end, rebuilt installed O2 sensor, rebuilt alternator, no AC, Spectre Performance overflow tank, Champion aluminum radiator, retro manufacturing Bluetooth radio, 2 kicker speakers, K&N 14-inch air filter and oil filter. Okay, here's one that's a little different. A 1967 Rover TC2000, listed for $11,500 US in Spokane, Washington. It's been driven 73,073 miles, manual transmission, excellent condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, most of you may not be familiar with the Rover TC. Great little cars from Great Britain, royal cars, the Queen drove a Rover. 1967 Rover TC2000, burgundy over black, 4-speed manual gearbox, 2-liter 4-cylinder, runs great, 0 rust, no leaks. Family owned here in Spokane since 1970, 73,000 original miles. Alrighty, last but not least, a 1962 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $10,500 US in National City, California. It's been driven 58,965 miles, has an automatic transmission, only 2 owners. From the seller's description, vehicle runs and drives great and sounds amazing. Great classic car, smog exempted, and great for family cruises to the classic car shows. Message me for more details. Pink slip in hand, current tags. New rebuilt engine, new paint, new upholstery, and new stereo system. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Friday Fix 'em Up, which go live every Friday at 2:00 Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.